Hello again. Here with the company Heroes Benchmark DirectX 11, made by THQ, now owned by Sega. Anyways, this is just an example of what the game's fluidity is like when being displayed by a 5870 1 gigabit ASUS video card backed up by a 5870 XFX at 2 gigabyte Xi Infinity. As you can see here, the graphics are, everything is turned up, super anti-aliasing, high quality, set for texture filtering. But as you can see, virtually no slowdown at some of the game's most peak, I used to say polygon push rates. But not here. This is the ASUS video card, 5870 1 gigabit unit, backed up in Crossfire with a ATI Radeon XFX video card, 2 gigabyte. The video is being pushed out through the ASUS card here, as you can see, being displayed on the monitor accordingly. This is for the eBay auction, just to give you an insight that you are buying a legitimate card with no problems at all. Put it under an extensive load by this game's benchmark system. See, there's no artifacts, no pixelation, smooth, fluid gameplay. Okay, so either or. You get an average frame of about 59.1 frames per second with about, let's just say 61 frames per second, and then a minimum of 4 frames per second, which I'm still trying to figure out what point in the benchmark that's taking place at. But you see up here the graphics, I mean, everything is maxed out. Give you a second to look at that. Very little memory usage. Of course, I'm using 2133 or DDR2133, 16 gigabits of system RAM, and together both of these cards have about 3 gigabits of operating video RAM, GDDR5. See here. Go over to performance. The overdrive function, obviously the enable of the AMD Crossfire is set. Stock speeds for both of the video cards. They're designed for overclocking, but I'm not an advocate of that. As you can see, they're both 850 at 1200. And same thing, the ASUS 850 at 1200. Manual fan control is both at 50% just to keep the card cool. As for the gaming, the 3D application setting, I mean, you have Edge Detect, which is the best of the 4 out-of-box narrow and wide Edge Detect. The anti-aliasing method set to super sampling, which is the highest out of the 3. High quality, what have you. But that tessellation mode and everything set AMD or the OpenGL set on, so essentially pushing the video card to its absolute limit. And I'd argue that, especially when a game is being run at about 60 frames per second on both max settings for the AMD Catalyst Control Center and the company Heroes benchmark itself. So anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to respond to my Sad Dog eBay account. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for looking.